Hello, today I'm in NISSAN X-Trail ePower. In this video I'll show you how to manage drive modes of this car. Let's start with some informations. NISSAN X-Trail ePower is family SUV that drives like EV but still has the fuel engine. Thanks to ePower engine and e-Force drive, we can switch between multiple drive modes and we can manage them. Each of those drive modes is designed for different type of road and situation on the road. Take a look in the center of the car and learn how to use each one of them. Firstly, we've got the standard mode located right here. This is your default everyday mode. It balances fuel economy and performance. In all-wheel drive models, it primarily powers the front wheels, but can automatically send power to the rear if detects any slips. Next, we've got Eco mode, indicated by the leaf icon. Maximize fuel efficiency. It dulls the throttle response, making the car feel a bit slower to accelerate, and optimizes the air conditioning and transmission to save every drop of fuel. It's best for highway cruising or relaxed city driving. Next, we've got the Sport mode. Sport mode sharpens everything up. The engine stays at higher RPMs for immediate power, the throttle becomes much more sensitive, and the steering usually feels heavier for better control. Use this for merging onto highways or fun back road driving. Now take a look at the other side of the wheel. We've got the off-road mode with mountain peak icon. Designed for unpaved surfaces like dirt, gravel or sand, it keeps the all-wheel drive system engaged more aggressively and manages the engine torque so you don't spin your tires and dig yourself into a hole. And last but not least, we've got the snow mode with the icon of the classic snowflake. This mode is specifically tuned for slippery, icy roads. It makes the initial acceleration very smooth and gentle to prevent the tires from breaking traction on ice. It also uses the brakes and engine to help the car from sliding sideways during turns. And in the end, we've got the hill descent control, indicated by the car going down a slope. If you are on a very steep, slippery hill like muddy trail or snowy driveway, you press this. The car will automatically manage the brakes to keep you at slow crawling speed so you can focus entirely on steering without the wheels locking up. And that's basically it for the drive modes. Each of the drive mode will be indicated on the instrument cluster. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.